Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of Euro New Zealand, and I wanted to show you the best example of rejection from a resistance. Now in this pair here was a resistance and this is the rejection. What happens in rejection? The price does not touch that resistance. If it was to be broken, then the structure would be that it would have been penetrated. Then the pair would have been going upward. Now this is the best example how resistance is activated. It does not allow the price to come to closer to it. If the price touches it, goes one or two pips above it, then it is the breakout. Now this is the first sign of resistance working and the trend reversal. From here the pair was going up. Now this is the consolidation, and during consolidation it makes highs and lows. Now as I wanted to show the resistance working and the rejection pattern, and now I want to watch and see along with you the highs and lows of the market and what is the expectation of market to do. And now let us see, this was the resistance. Now what was the high of the market? This is the high of the market. Now you see here clearly the resistance has worked. It didn't allow to go up. What do you think? It will go up? No. In these conditions it is rejected. Now this is the second sign, second identification of rejection. Now this, after here it, how many days it remained here? 1 2 3 4 and 5 days, and then came down. This was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. I want to put these lines along with you watching me. How do I analyze this? Now this was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. From here it went back to the previous high, but this is a lower high. From lower high it came and broke this low. After breaking this low, went up for this high, and this is a lower high. First this was high, then this was lower high, this was lower high, and when the pair was coming down, first this was low, then this was lower low, and now it has gone up for a lower low 2. We can say this was low, this was lower low 1, this is now lower low 2. The pair is now going downward and it is going up for the lower high. Now where do we expect to go this? Let us, this was the previous, this was the, now let me put the horizontal lines to make it simple. Now this was the high of the market. Here it was the lower high. Okay, this was the high, this was the lower high, and then this was the lower high 2, and this was low, this was lower low 1, this was lower low 2, and now market will be coming for lower low high 3. Now where do we expect to go this? We are expecting below this any lower high, because maybe near to this, but if this is broken, then the pair would go up, but there is high probability that this pair now won't go up to this level. Now let us break this down in 4-hour time frame to watch to see the level. Now this is the levels in 4-hour time frame. We are watching this level. Okay, where do we expect to go this? Maybe somewhere here. Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame to find the. Now I feel like this is the best position. I am expecting this to go up to this level and then came down far lower low. Now let us move again. I opened this to find the best selling opportunity. Now let us move to the 4-hour or daily time frame. Now here, this is the selling. Let me put the short position. Let me put the short position from here. This is the short position. Now for stop loss, this is enough, because I don't think, especially because I am analyzing it, that the pair won't go back to this level. Even if it goes, then it is maybe there is a high spirit, it could touch the stop loss, so it is better to keep it to this level. And the take profit opportunity first is here, and second is here on the 1-hour time frame, and multiple TPs can be taken on 4-hour time frames. Here is also the take profit opportunity, and let me open the 4-hour time frame for other opportunities, take profit opportunities. Now let us see if the pair is we short here, then this is the TP, this is also the TP, first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, fifth TP, so forth, and these are the take profit options. Like this video, subscribe my channel and share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.